Now tell me, quickly tell me the seasons. Maisha? Okay, today Maisha is not well, so I won't trouble. Maisha, you are on mute. Okay, say. Ah, she's so happy she's on mute. Look at the way she's laughing. Say, Maisha, what are the 4 seasons? Just now, Angel has said all. Summer,
Okay.
summer,
Winter, monsoon, and no.
And no. Okay, very good. Now tell me. Maham, tell me.
Ma'am, we have learned 5 seasons.
Autumn also you must have learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Say whatever you've learned, please say.
Spring, summer, monsoon or rainy season, autumn, winter.
Wonderful. Now tell me, can you all see this on the screen, what I've put?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, sorry. I have put the action words by mistake. Okay. Now, can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Angel, Maisha, Maham, and Adya, can you all see?
Yes,
you know what?
ma'am.
We've got, and you know what? How interesting. We've got 2 girls with A and 2 girls with M. Maisha, Maham, Angel, and Adya. How interesting, no? Right. Now just see. This is which day? Sunny day. See, please see. A rainy day. Not like this, beta. We have to explain also. What is the meaning of foggy day? Angel, foggy.
Rainy season.
Foggy नहीं, foggy को क्या बोलते हैं? Foggy. जब विंटर होता है, सुबह सुबह उठते हैं, धूप छाई रहती है ना? हाँ, देखो आद्या उसकी एक्टिंग भी कर रही है. हाँ माँ, हमसे.
Blurry.
हाँ, it is all blurred like this. Blurry, very good. It's all blurred. So that is it. तो जब अब विंटर्स आएगा ना, तो सब कोई कहेगा it's a foggy day. Okay, foggy. And when it is a hot day, the temperature goes rising up. Very hot. Okay. और जब hot के साथ साथ एंजल बहुत सारा पानी भी ह्यूमिडिटी होती है, मतलब बहुत मॉइस्चर होता है, तो उसको हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड कहते हैं. अभी से आप लोग को जान लेना चाहिए. यस, हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड, जब बहुत पसीना आता है. ओके.
मैम, कभी कभी मेरी नाना के घर बारिश की वजह से उनके घर पे बारिश का पानी भर जाता है.
दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लडिंग. वेरी गुड. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लडिंग. क्या कहते हैं? फ्लडिंग. फ्लडिंग नहीं, फ्लडिंग. नाउ टेल मी, कितने बच्चों ने यहाँ, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन स्नो?
मैम, मेरी बहन शिशिका के मम्मा पापा गए थे स्नो में.
कौन, किस जगह में? कहाँ?
मेरी एक कजिन है, उसकी मम्मी पापा गए थे स्नो में.
Which place बेटा?
Yes.
Which place? कौन सी जगह?
स्नो वाली जगह जहाँ पर बर्फ होती है.
अच्छा, नाम नहीं पता है. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. आद्या, आप बताओ, आप कहाँ गए थे?
When I was small, I go to Himachal.
Go नहीं. I went to Himachal.
I went to Himachal.
So you remember the snow?
Yes, ma'am. I played a lot of snow.
How small were you?
I was.
Not like that, beta. I want the age. Okay, ask your mother and you tell me later. Okay.
No, ma'am. I was 3 years old.
You remember when you were 3 years old? Wow, good. Okay, now Maham has seen snow.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we all should go somewhere snow. It's great fun. And my angel, have you seen Messenger of God snow?
No.
Okay. So we all must go once the pandemic gets over to a snow. It's very nice. My husband was posted in Kashmir. So I went and I had also not seen snow before. That was in very, very long ago, 1989. I had never seen snow. I just got married. We went to Kashmir and it started snowing. And I went crazy seeing snow because I love snow. Okay, now, Maisha, put on your camera. Now tell me, beta, what is this? What is this?
What?
What is this?
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen.
Who cannot see? The rainbow. And when it is, put your hands on your mouth, Adya. You've forgotten all this, darling. How do we put when we are yawning? Yes, we're supposed to put our hands on our mouth. Maisha, please put on your camera. Now, what are the colors on the rainbow? Hmm. How do we come to know? We call it vigor. Vigor, and I'll just show it to you all on the board also. And then we come to know when.
Ma'am, see, I made a rose.
Oh wow, which color is rose?
Maroon.
Maroon rose. Okay. Now what is the
color?
Give it to me. Oh yes. Now what is the difference between shower and rain? There it is shower and here it is written rainy and here it is written. What is the difference, beta? Oh, light showers in Lucknow today. Oh, it is a rainy day in Lucknow today. What is the difference? What is the difference? Kaun bata? Oh, light showers in Lucknow today. It's going to be a rainy day in Lucknow today. Or in Ghaziabad. Sorry, Maham, I forgot Ghaziabad. So tell me, what is the difference between rainy day and there'll be light showers? Rainy is rainfall, heavy rainfall, and shower is light drizzle. It is called drizzle, light rainfall.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen. I can see black.
My God, why? The rest of you can say, see, I'll share it.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay, I'll just.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay. Now, beta, see.
Yes, now I can see.
Okay. So now you all know the difference between rainy and a shower.
Yes, ma'am.
So today, what all did we study, beta? We did which poem? Nursery rhyme? We sang that song.
Down by the bay.
Wonderful, Down by the Bay. And what did we do? We listened to the song, we enjoyed it, and we did the rhyming words from there, right? So
Yes.
quickly tell me the rhyming words. And just now, Maisha will start. I love that rose that becomes up. Maisha, start with the rhyming. Now you understand what are rhyming words. Quickly tell me one rhyming word, just one.
Hot. Not.
No, I want it from the nursery rhyme. Down by the bay.
Okay. Fox. Socks.
Wonderful. Now you got it. It's lovely. Fox and socks. Angel, please tell me the next one.
Frog log.
Frog and log. Wonderful. Adya, please tell the next one.
Duck and truck.
Can suck and Maham.
D and iced tea.
We are missing out one, no? There are 5 of them, I think. So which one have you?
Goat and cruise.
Goat and boat.
Goat and boat.
How can goat and cruise be rhyming? Rhyming means le mein jana. So goat and boat. They went on a cruise. And what is the meaning of a cruise?
Ship.
When you travel, a travel by ship or a boat is known as a cruise, right? We have gone on a cruise. It's a great fun. Okay. Now tell me, after the break, what did we do? We learnt about the
Rhyming words.
after the break, we did the seasons.
Season.
Did 4, and somebody said, Maham said there are 5 seasons. And we did, what is the difference between a shower and rainy day and light shower? Maisha,
Yes.
please tell me the difference between rainy and showers.
Rainy and
Light showers. Today it will be a rainy day in Lucknow and there will be light showers in Ghaziabad. So what is the difference?
light is different and rain is different.
I'll give you one just now. What is the difference, I'm asking? Maisha, what are you doing? I love you. Chalo, tell me the difference.
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Today you're not well. That's why you can't concentrate. Angel, do you know the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell.
Shower means light
Very good, light rain. Very good.
and rain means
Rainy means heavy rain, right?
heavy.
Right. Now I told you I will be telling you all about Vibgyor. That is the colors of the rainbow. Listen carefully.
Ma'am, I know the colors of a rainbow.
Okay, now see, this is the easier way. Right? Now, Y is for violet.
Yellow.
No, why?
Violet.
Why? तो violet होगा ना? This is violet. Y is violet, and Y is Y. V is violet. Y is
Yellow.
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 B is
Blue.
blue, and G is.
Ma'am, it's called Vibgyor.
I've made some mistake. Not twice. I've put the Y. No. So Vib G.
After V, there should be
7 colors.
Here it is I. Right. 1 minute. I'll clear it. Old woman in the shoe. Old woman in the shoe. Vib G-Y-O-R. Yes? Now it's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Y is for violet. V is for violet. V is for violet.
G for violet.
And I for
Indigo.
Violet.
Ma'am, indigo.
indigo. Let me see if the indigo color is here. My God, there is no indigo color. What do? I make it dark with indigo. Indigo is a darker color. This color is indigo. Wait, this is indigo color. This is indigo. Can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is indigo. So we put over here indigo. Then comes B for
Blue.
G for
Green.
Green.
Y for
Yellow.
yellow. O for
Orange.
and R for
Red.
that red is looking like it's looking okay, the red. It's looking more like maroon. But I don't have any colors more over here. Okay, so you all have understood, no? Even I have understood. What have I understood? That V is for violet, I is for indigo. Please see the indigo color. You all will learn later when you all become big that indigo movement was done by whom, you know? Mahatma Gandhi ji. Indigo.
I want to rhyme one word.
Please do rhyme. Tell me.
Violin and violet.
No, it's not rhyming. The last syllable has to.
Violet.
Violin will be violet के साथ क्या जा सकता है? Toilet.
Violet. Violet.
Violet के साथ it will be toilet and not violin. It will be toilet. Violet and toilet. That is rhyming. Okay. Okay. Right. The last letter has to rhyme. Right. Vayo, violin के साथ it will be sayo, something like that. Sai. Okay, we'll do a lot of rhyming words because I feel you all should know more about rhyming words. So did you all enjoy?
Is coming to you.
Oh, I love you all. Did you all enjoy the class?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know a rhyming word.
Okay, say
Rope and hope.
yes, rope and hope. Right. Now tell me something. Yes, what is that? That's a rainbow.
Ma'am, I
What?
want to tell you something.
Tell
You have
me.
to make a rose to
What?
the clay.
Okay, now just see what has Angel got in her hand. It's all rainbow colors. Just turn it around. Turn it around. Wow, isn't that beautiful with ice cream sticks? Isn't it beautiful?
This is show me again.
She's telling you to show it to her properly.
Show me again.
Ah, she's saying show the blue. Point out to the blue color. And see the indigo color
Show
is
me
there.
again.
Now oh God, she's become a teacher now. Maisha is a teacher now.
Ma'am, show me again the rainbow.
Okay, show me the green on the rainbow. Angel, show it. Maisha, the teacher. I love you all. Now you all will do the recording. Ah, even she got an eraser, that is.
Yes, ma'am.
Just see. An eraser, an ice cream stick. How, my God, you're all so talented. All of you are very talented. Now, you know what? I'm feeling very hungry. Just see how many medicines are left. Oh, the electricity has also come. Okay. Now you all will do your work. And we have lots to do now with sound.
Ma'am, can I show you how to make a rose?
Okay, quickly show.
First we roll the clay.
All of you see it.
First we roll the clay. Then
Okay.
we do this.
Okay, we do this. No, we flatten it. What do? We flatten
Flat
it.
it.
We
We
flatten.
flat it.
No. We flatten it. Flatten. All of you say.
We flat it.
We
Flatten.
know. Flatten it.
We flatten it.
Yes.
Then we roll it.
Then we roll it. See how many new words you all are learning. First you make a roll like this. Okay. Then
Then
you.
we do a point from
Okay.
down side.
Then you pinch the lower side. You pinch it. Yes, you're
Pinch.
pinching.
The
Yes.
lower side.
Right. See so many words you're learning. Yes, you pinch it.
Then
And
the rose is ready.
the rose is ready, which is the
Ma'am.
national flower of.
Then
Yeah.
somebody do this to the rose.
Ma'am.
ये देखो, she's against. Yes, Adya.
And
Somebody
today's
say
Angel's
hello.
birthday.
Angel, it's your birthday today.
No.
No, she must have
She-
just done puja like that only, na? Huh?
I think
Okay.
I wear a frock. So.
Okay. She always wears very beautiful frocks, you know. All of you wear beautiful frocks and dresses. Chalo. Okay then. Bye. Love you all. Meet you tomorrow
Bye,
next.
ma'am.
Love you all. Bye.
Love you too, ma'am.
Take care. Oh,
Bye, ma'am. I
thank
love
you. Even I love you. Adya and Angel
See
Maisha
donuts.
and
Ma'am, see
Maham.
donuts.
and
Donut.
Monica. Chalo. Bye. Lovely donut.
Bye,
Bye, darling.
ma'am.
Lovely
Ma'am,
donut.
look donuts. Ma'am, look donuts. Love you too. Donuts.
Okay, my husband will kill me now. I'm going. Okay, bye.